This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Donna Roble. Nestled in one of Lakewood Ranch Golf and Country Club's most coveted subdivisions in a maintenance-free community, this captivating home spans over 2,700 square feet. Boasting 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 3-car side-facing garage, it delivers an exquisite blend of luxury and functionality. The fully screened lanai is a haven with a heated saltwater pool, spa, and a summer kitchen featuring granite countertops and a stylish backsplash. The master bedroom indulges with spacious elegance, leading to a master bath adorned with separate vanities, a generous Roman shower, plantation shutters, and impact French door opening to outdoor living. The great room seamlessly integrates with a kitchen showcasing solid wood cabinetry, granite counters, and stainless appliances. A sizable office with double doors and plantation shutters adds a touch of sophistication. Discerning buyers will appreciate the double glass impact entry door, new tankless water heater, HVAC systems, crown molding, rounded interior corners, and sliding doors facilitating an effortless flow to the outdoor entertainment area, complete with audio speakers throughout the entire home and lanai. The meticulously landscaped surroundings, coupled with outdoor lighting, enhance the overall allure. Optional membership to Lakewood Ranch Golf and Country Club provides access to its award-winning amenities, including 3 golf courses, 2 clubhouses, a fitness center, aquatics, tennis, and pickleball courts. Situated conveniently near Main Street, Waterside Place, UTC shopping, and dining, with easy I-75 access and a short drive to breathtaking beaches, this residence epitomizes refined living in an exceptional community. For more information, review the details below.